In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your TradingView password in a few simple steps. Whether you're enhancing your account security or just updating your credentials, changing your password is a crucial task that should be easy and straightforward. Let's dive in. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to TradingView's official website. Once there, log into your account if you haven't already. Look towards the top right corner of your screen where you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu where you can access various user settings and options. After opening the menu, the next step is to click on Settings and Billing. This will take you to a new page where you can modify various aspects of your account. From here, look for the Account Settings option. Clicking on this will direct you to another page specifically designed for altering your account's configuration, which includes security details, among other settings. Now it's time to focus on security. Find and click the link that says Change Password. This is where you will update your password to something new. Before you can set a new password, you need to type in your current password. This is a security measure to ensure that the person making changes is indeed the account holder. Once you've entered your current password, it's time to type in your new password. When choosing a new password, make sure it's both strong and secure. A good rule of thumb is to use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid using easily guessable information like birthdays or simple sequences. Remember, a strong password is often your first line of defense against unauthorized access. After you've entered both your current and new passwords, take a moment to double check them. Make sure there are no typos and that the new password meets all security criteria. Once you're confident everything is correct, look for the Save Changes button. Clicking this will finalize the update and secure your account with the new password. And there you have it. Changing your password on TradingView is easy when you follow these straightforward steps. Regularly updating your password is an excellent practice for maintaining optimal account security. So, make it a point to refresh your password every few months to protect your trading data and personal information. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you enjoyed this video or want to see more tutorials like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, happy trading and stay secure.